Zombo Resident District Commissioner Festus Ayikobua is rallying the locals of the district to join efforts in fighting corruption, especially in government programs like PDM, Emyooga, among others. He made this revelation recently during the commemoration of 44th Tarehe Sita in Paidha Town Council, Zombo District. This follows recent reports by concerned elders in the district that some leaders have been replacing legitimate beneficiaries with their own preferred individuals by listing the names of living individuals among the deceased.
We need to do is to support now the war that the UPDF is now fighting through His Excellency. That the poverty which is big in our pockets, the poverty which is in our homes must now become a history as the peace prevails. And of course I am aware that when we said we have a peace and there is no food at home, there is no peace. What is caused by insecurity can even be poverty. So that we have really fought the war, which was disorganizing us. We have already fought even the leadership, the poor leadership. Now we need to sit together and say that we must provide now money or transform this country through money economy. And which the government of Uganda is doing very well. Because I can see it is only the Africa here in Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency that we can see a government bringing cash money to be given to the community, to individuals, not even a community, to individuals to really liberate them from poverty. Under PDM we are given 1 million, and that is the war now that the country is really trying to fight. His Excellency, with the army that today we are celebrating, is fight.
Ayikobua added that the PDM program in Zombo district has faced challenges including allegations of extortion of money by some parish chiefs and SACCO leaders. He further urged local leaders and religious leaders to preach against corruption in their churches.
And even elected leaders to now walk the talk together with His Excellency. That we have now peace, the peace in our pockets, the peace in our families, through the socio-economic transformation must prevail, that people must now go out and make money. And I want to really thank those who are doing well, especially the business community, that the country is where we are today because we have also got a lot of support from the community who are developing this country. And as the leaders and the security chairperson and even a team from here, we have pledged that we will continue working together with the community and even all those who are doing enterprises, different entrepreneurs, to say that this Zombo district develops as a better place for all of us to live in.
The Parish Development Model, launched by President Museveni, aims to mobilize 17.5 million Ugandans from 3.5 million households. It seeks to empower communities to take charge of their development, ensuring sustainable poverty alleviation at the grassroots level.